Namaste, beautiful souls. I hope you're all doing great. So, I also hope that you got a chance to do the 11:11 manifestation yesterday. So, if you are repeatedly seeing 1111, it means that the angels are telling you that they are blessing you and they are supporting you. So, go ahead and make a wish or manifest something that you want. So that is why most of them keep seeing this number, because that is the way the angels are trying to communicate to you and send message to you. So in continuation to that, we will do another manifestation technique, which is 5 into 5 5. Again, 5 is a number which represents change. So it signifies that a change is going to come your way. And now that we have two 5s here, it means that it is going to manifest twice or it is going to manifest double. So what we will do in this technique is that we will write the wish or the affirmation 55 times in a day, and we will do this for a period of 5 days. So when you sit to write this manifestation, you are going to write this in one go. You are going to write 55 times without any breaks in between, and you will do this for 5 days. So there are certain things that I would like to share with you before you start doing this technique. So if you already have a wish, well and good, but if you do not have one, then you can make a new one today. And just make sure that this particular wish is realistic and which can be achieved in a short span. So as you write the affirmation, just make sure that it is in present tense and it is very clear, to the point. Don't keep it vague or don't give any open-ended statements. Say for example, just make sure your affirmation is something like, I am earning rupees 1 lakh per month starting Jan 2025. So just make sure that your wish is very clear and very specific. And when you sit to do this technique, make sure you find a very comfortable and quiet place. Just make sure that nobody disturbs you when you are doing this. No TV, no music. So you can either sit in your puja room or your bedroom. So just make sure that you are not disturbed for the time period that you are writing this affirmation, because as I told, it has to be written in one go. Make sure you don't get up in between this process, and choose the same time and place. This is just to ensure that we align your subconscious mind. So try to do this activity either before going to sleep or when you wake up first thing in the morning. And as I also told, be specific, that needs to be done properly. And before you start writing this manifestation, please invoke for the blessings of the higher beings to ensure that they protect you and bless you. And if there are any kind of obstacles or hurdles in this path of manifestation, even that is removed. So please ask specifically all those things while you're doing the invocation. And if possible, keep a new book or a diary or a sheet of paper to write this affirmation. And you can choose any color pen to write this. If it is something related to money, then you can use green color. If it is something to do with relationship, then you can use pink color pen. And blue is a very neutral color, so you can use blue as well. And while you're writing this affirmation, please be aware, present and mindful, because this is another form of meditation. So you are going inwards while you're writing this, and trying to relive that moment, relive those emotions of how it is going to be when this wish comes true. So you're going to live that now while you're writing it. So you will experience all those emotions that you will experience when this wish comes true. So, feeling joyful, feeling happy, feeling grateful. So, while you're writing, have a smile on your face, be relaxed, experience these different feelings and emotions, and write your affirmation. And also, uh, please be aware of any kind of negative thoughts or feelings that might crop up, because there are chances that if there are any hurdles or obstacles in the path of manifestation, they can come up, and it is trying to tell you that there could be a block, and your own negative energy can block that wish. So please be mindful of that. So if you feel any kind of doubt, oh, do I really think this is going to happen, I hope, like any kind of negative feelings or any kind of doubts that you have that this might not manifest, even if it's like 1%, and if that crops up or if that feeling comes up, please make sure that you make a note of that, because we will have to work on releasing those blockages first. So you can use the switch words which we have already shared with you, how you can work on negative thoughts. So please use that specific switch word to remove this thought. And you can also request Archangel Michael to clear the path, um, and also remove any kind of hurdles, known, unknown, and ask Archangel Michael to cut those cords. So yeah, I think I've covered most of it. But if you still have any doubts or clarification, please feel free to drop in a message, and we will be happy to clarify. And I wish and pray that may all your heart desires be fulfilled and God's blessings be always with you. So please try this technique and do share your experience. Please understand that all this is a way to make ourselves better each day. These techniques help us to understand ourselves better. What are our positives? What are the negatives that we need to work on? And so on. So please do this, and do share your experience with us. Sending lots of love and light. Thank you. Namaste.